Welcome back. Today, we dive into a shocking highway crash. Come along as we uncover key lessons in traffic safety and responsible driving through practical examples.
Okay, let's get ready. When I find out,
Oh my God!
What?
Oh my God!
A stormy night on the Houston highway. A white car loses control, skidding across the slick road. Bam! A devastating impact. The car slams into the side of an SUV, sending it spinning wildly across the lanes.
What's that? Oh my God! They crossed the line.
On a busy highway, a car speeds ahead, but suddenly, the driver loses control. The vehicle skids across the slick road, tires screeching desperately. Bam! A violent crash into the median barrier, sending debris flying. In Lafayette, a car suddenly swerves into the path of a speeding vehicle. The driver has no time to react. Crash! The impact sends the hood flying open, but luckily, the driver emerges unharmed from the crash.
Oh, God!
In Louisville, a sudden collision sends a car swerving violently before veering off the road. Debris scatters. The vehicle slides across the ground, but miraculously, the driver survives against all odds.
You okay?
At an intersection in McKenzie, a car recklessly runs a red light, trying to cross. Crash! A devastating collision unfolds. Debris scatters across the road, but luckily, the driver emerges unharmed from the crash. A car suddenly changes lanes, causing a minor collision. The female driver attempts to flee the scene, but fails. Moments later, a heated argument erupts right on the spot.
You pull over here! You pull over right here! You pull over by the police! You don't pull over, I'm gonna have you arrested! Pull over right now!
A car loses control, skidding uncontrollably. It crashes into another vehicle before slamming into a wall. Smash. A serious accident unfolds, but luckily, the driver survives.
Outside of Chicago, not exactly saltwater in sight, but
remembers he was 5 or 6 when he first encountered Megalodon in the movie Jaws. Heard over and over on the videotape countless times.
A speeding driver approaches an intersection when suddenly they swerve into the sidewalk. The car is badly damaged, but luckily, no one is hurt.
New program faceless immortals. Camera, black set. Like short black hair climbed out of the window. He appeared to be in distress, and Cole thought there was something slightly familiar about him. Slowly, he held the camera out for high tower. Jack noted the tone of his subordinate.
As everyone waits at the red light, a pickup truck recklessly surges forward. Crash! The collision happens instantly.
Where did you all come from? Like at the front, like when I tell you, like I could have walked up and like held on to the stick.
Whoa! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit, dude! Holy shit!
A car speeds through an intersection when suddenly the driver loses control. Bang! It slams into the vehicle ahead, leaving it completely wrecked.
God damn.
An accident has just happened. The driver, a woman behind the wheel. Could she be just a beginner? Changing lanes without checking, the main cause of this accident. Luckily, the driver is safe.
Wow. Wow. You got wow. You got this on Dashcam. Alright.
God damn it!
That's the difference here. And you're learning Latin, and you learn how to write, and you can theater, so you're a musical type, you're a creative type. But now I'm going to ask you differently. What do you think God wants now?
The driver of the white car seems confused, staying still instead of moving. Then, bang! The crash happens.
I got that on camera. Oh shit!
Tell me about him, I said. It was about 15 years ago.
Oh, Jesus!
The psychopath proclaimed himself the new prophet of God in Assam or Sikkim or one of those places to the east. He said, a gleaming blue angel.
What happened?
That person just ran the red light.
This car did?
This car ran the red light.
A car pulls out without looking. Bang! Slamming into a red vehicle in motion. Yet after the crash, both cars drive away as if nothing happened.
Bam! Bam! Caught it! I caught it! I so fuck dead! Stupid mother... God damn! I crashed the goddamn car!
Darkness and high speed, a deadly combination. Screech, a massive pileup unfolds on the highway.
Big accident right here, right in front of me. Because this guy wants to act like a jerk.
Oh, vai, meu Deus. Tem cuidado, filho.
Because with impressive towing capability, an available 13.4-inch diagonal touchscreen, and a choice of powerful engines to pick from,
Boom! A car suddenly flies through the air. What just happened? Is the driver safe?
At your local Chevy dealer.
Apple. Whoa! Oh! I have no clue.
A car pushes forward despite the red light. Screech.
What the fuck?
A crash was inevitable.
Damn it! Oh shit! Oh my god, dude! Hell, bro! What, dude, they just got bro! Dude.
Start recording emergency video.
I have that on video.
Ripping stuff out of the ground, and then screwing it up and not getting them.
Up ahead, a horrifying crash has just happened. Headlights flicker, debris scatters across the road. What happened here? Is anyone hurt?
At least it's the best way that I've learned. And the thing that I learned when we went out there was like, it's such a bigger scale.
Responding to secure 270 votes, a simple majority of the House to be elected leader.
Correspondent Edwin Warren. President Biden claims to have erased $127 billion worth of student loan debt.
Yet another reckless lane change, and this time, a crash unfolds in Phoenix, Arizona. Debris scatters across the road. Is the driver okay?
Look, $5, $6.
Oh shit!
What the? Ah, look at the car, baby. What the?
I gotta help. I gotta go help.
Yeah.
A car deliberately breaks the law, thinking no one will notice.
Go ahead, little homie.
But no, the police arrive instantly
Get him.
and take control of the
Get him.
situation.
That was awesome! Dashcam lessons.
Oh my god. Oh my god. We're just going cars on.
Incidents like these remind us that even a moment of carelessness can lead to serious consequences. Always drive safely and stay alert on the road. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.